Hey, wait. This will sound like a polka.
No, Ben, witness, dog. Niggas not like name. Fuck. But fucking.
This nigga is funny as fuck. Oh my god.
This is going on Instagram, bro. This is fucking sad. I'm sorry.
For all those people that didn't know, come on, this is my boy right here.
Yo, what do you think of your boy Snoring?
Hey, this is the real Kamal. What you think about it, Jill?
This man's the real Kamal.